Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. Greetings to our lecturer, Ms. Nur Afika bin Misbah. So today we are from Group Oneunity Project Sdn Bhd will be introduced and presenting for you about the Information System Project Management. Our title for this project is Celcom Digi Data Platform Consolidation System. Next is the introduce of the background for this company. Introduction. Celcom Digi Berhad is Malaysia's largest telecommunication company formed through the merger of Celcom and Digi in 2022. The company offers a wide range of mobile and digital services to over 20 million customers nationwide. With a strong focus on innovation and network expansion, Celcom Digi aims to deliver reliable connectivity, affordable services, and support Malaysia's digital transformation. Next is the company background of our project management. So our company background is first, the mission of Oneunity Project Sdn Bhd provides innovative technology solutions and expert consultancy services to businesses, enhancing operational efficiency, and also we are driving to the sustainable growth and enabling them to thrive in the digital age. Our objective company is the company aims to enhance system for efficiency, reliability, and scalability, support businesses in growth, and provide top-tier consultancy services in information systems and technology. Next is the chapter 2 until 4, which is initiating phase. So this is we will like to introduce you our organizational chart. So the first one is my name is ABDULLAH. I'm being the one of the project manager for this project. And then second is the FAZRIN AZHAR, which is our data analyst. Second is FERRA APPRILLIA, is the system integration consultant. And the last one is MOHAMMAD ERFAN HAZIQ as one of information technology project consultant. So next, I will introduce you the initiating phase. There has a 4 process of the initiating phase. The first one is business case development. It defines the objective, expected benefits, and alignment with strategy and goals. Next is the financial analysis, which is we are using tools like net present value, break-even, and a weighted scoring model to assess feasibility and prioritize projects. The third one is the stakeholder identification, which is the stakeholder registers created to manage their interests, communication, and support throughout the project. And the last one is the project authorization, which is formalized through a project charter and kick-off meeting to align the team and set the momentum for this project. Next is project integration management. The purpose of this project integration management is to align all project elements to ensure cohesive execution and successful outcomes. Key PMBOK processes. First is project charter, authorized project. Second is project plan, integrates all planning efforts. Third is the execute work, delivers the outputs and updates. Fourth is monitor and control, tracks progress and changes. Fifth is changes control, which is to manage its approved changes. And sixth, which is the last step of key processes, is closure to formal project completion. The project manager's role is to oversee coordination, resolve conflicts, ensure strategic alignment, and acts as the communication bridge. Next, that is have 6-phase framework used. First is initiating. Second is planning. Third is designing and building for the integration of the project management. Fourth is testing and planning. And the fifth is deploying and monitoring. And the last one is for the closing.
Chapter 4: Project Integration Management and Project Scope Management. Every project goes through 5 main stages: initiating, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. These stages have got the project from start to finish in a structured way. Different project management methods are used depending on the situation. For example, Prince2, AZHAR, RUP, and Six Sigma are all popular and flexible methods. Organizations choose the one that best suits the project needs and team style. Project integration management is about keeping all parts of the project connected and work together smoothly. This includes creating key documents like project charter and the project management plan. Integration helps project manager align the team, tool, timeline, and goal. Using project management software make this easier. This allows real-time tracking, updates, and collaboration, and well-integrated project move forward moves more smoothly and is more likely to succeed. Project scope management, on the other hand, ensure we know that exactly that the project should deliver and avoid doing unnecessary work. This involves several steps: planning the scope, collecting requirements, define scope, building a work breakdown structure, creating the scope, and controlling the change. Poor scope management is one of the top reasons projects fail because it leads to confused delays and overspending. Good scope management keeps the project focused, efficient, and within the budget. Again, tools like project management software helps keep everything organized and make it easier to manage change. In conclusion, successful projects rely on a strong integration and clear scope management. Using modern tools and improved methods helps project managers handle challenges and deliver successful results.
Introduction. Project scope management is crucial for ensuring successful project delivery, particularly coordinating and controlling all necessary work. It has a deep focus on steps linked with the project objectives, reducing unnecessary effort, and preventing the standard project overrun or delay. Tools like the Work Breakdown Structure (WBS) and project management applications like Microsoft Project, Streamline, Task Tracking, and Management, Gantt chart, and Labor diagrams are essential tools for efficient resource use and timely project execution. Understanding these tools help project managers anticipate potential delay and take preventive action, ensuring timely project execution. Work Breakdown Structure (WBS). So this is our WBS for our project data consolidation as well as relation Oneunity project. So based on the WBS, the project started on 16 May 2024, and it has 6 parts, 6 phases. First is initiative phase, second is planning, third is system design for its prototype rolled out, 5 is final development, and last is closing. Okay, so this is our project Gantt chart. Basically, Gantt chart is the progress of our project. So as you can see, this is for initiative phase, and in initiative phase it has project integration management, pre-initiation phase, business case, and so on. So actually it's based on the WBS. Next is network diagram. So Basically, that is summarize of our content. So as you can see, 1.0 is initiating started on 16 May 2024 and finished on 15 June 2024. Next is planning. It started on 1 July 2024 and finished on 15 September 2024. Third is 000 is system design. So it started on 16 September 2024 and finished on 31 October 2024. For the 4.0 prototype rollout, it started on 1 November 2024 and finished on 15 January 2025. And next is final development. Start on 16 January 2025 and finish on 28 February 2025. Last exclusive start on 3 March 2025 and finish on 50 June 2025. So this is planning phase, chapter 7, project cost management. Of labor cost allocation. So the table show what we spend the cost on the each role, such as project manager, system analyst, software developer, database engineer, IT consultant, programmers, and support staff. So for example, project manager. So project manager has hourly rate 100 per hour, 1 hour, RM 100 per hour. Allocation hour is 1,300 hours, and the project manager got around 130,000 ringgit Malaysia. So only for project manager, percentage of total labor cost is 16.3%. Okay, we continue. Next is testing and QA. The item is QA platform and bug tracking tools. The estimate cost is around 270,000 ringgit Malaysia. And next is training and documentation. The component of it is user training materials and manuals. The cost estimate is 140,000 ringgit. And the last is contingency and reserve. The item is financial buffer for risk and inflation. The estimate cost is 42,000 ringgit Malaysia. And the task non-labor cost is 2.3 million ringgit Malaysia.
Good day, Miss. My name is APPRILLIA. My student ID is 2022697876, and today I will present about the planning phase in chapter 9 about human resource management. So, a little bit about our company. So, the data consolidation is West Malaysia Oneunity project emphasized the importance of human resource management in fostering a team culture that values collaboration, adaptability, and purpose. So the success of the initiative depends on the team structure, empowerment, and alignment with the project strategic vision. So the team comprises 4 specialized roles, which are project manager, IT project consultant, system integration and specialist, and data analyst. So human resource management practices support learning, communication, and strategic alignment to enable high-performing teams in an innovative environment. As organizations embrace digital transformation, human resource management must evolve to support flexible work structure and continuous skill development.
Okay, now let me take you through our human resource approach for the Oneunity project. So in this project, we begin with detailed planning, such as identifying key roles, necessary skills, and clear responsibilities to make sure the structure supports our scope and timeline. So with our 4 appointed team members, so each roles we play, it has their own strategic part. For example, for our project manager, which is Mr. UWAIMIR, he leads with decision making. And then next, for our data analyst support, which is Mr. FAZRIN AZHAR, he support with insight driven analysis. And the IT consultant, Mr. MOHAMMAD ERFAN, he ensure our technical alignment. And me myself, FERRA APPRILLIA, as the system integration specialist, I oversee seamless system connectivity. So every assignment was tailored to match expertise with project objective to make sure the smooth coordination and purposeful collaboration. Okay, now in this segment, I will talk about the importance of human resource in planning phase in our project. So first is task allocation. This will make sure that the right people matches to the right task and supported by clear role definition to enhance accountability. And the second one is goal alignment. So here we focus on linking on individual capabilities with the overreaching project goals, fostering a sense of ownership and strategic direction. The third one is risk assessment, where the planning allows us to identify the potential gaps in skills or conflicts within the team early on, and enabling proactive solution before they escalate. And finally, for the team preparation, we equip with the team with the necessary tools and communication frameworks to handle challenges effectively, to encourage collaboration and resilient project culture. So these 4 components from the backbone of our human resource strategy will make sure that the team operates with clarity, purpose, and adaptability throughout the Oneunity project.
In this Oneunity project, there are 7 benefits of effective human resource planning. First is clear role distribution, minimizes task duplication and improve focus. Second, efficient resource utilization, matches human resources to tasks based on skill sets. Number 3, enhanced team collaboration will ensure smooth communication and effective coordination. Number 4, improved accountability arises from role clarity, which leads to individual ownerships. Number 5, goal alignment enables all team members to work towards shared objectives. Number 6, risk reduction is achieved through early identification of human resource related issue. And number 7, performance monitoring become easier with clearly defined roles and objectives. So this strategy helps strengthen project efficiency and supports successful team outcomes. Next, I will present about challenges and consideration during the planning phase of human resource management. So the first challenge involves assessing the required skill for each role. Inaccuracy during this stage could lead to underperformance or missed deadline. And next, we must consider team compatibility. The differences in personalities and working styles can affect group dynamics and collaboration. Finally, technology evolves very quickly, so what seems relevant during planning may become outdated. So flexible strategies and continuous learning must be integrated. Addressing these factors early can help us achieve clearer role assignments and smoother team coordination. So here are our organizational charts. First is UWAIMIR Ahad as our project manager, Mohammed ERFAN as IT project consultant, FAZRIN AZHAR as data analyst, and me, FERRA APPRILLIA, as system integration specialist. In this chapter, I will present Project Communication Management for the Data Consolidation East-West Malaysia Oneunity project. So this chapter highlights the importance of structured and effective communication when managing multi-regional systems. I will begin by outlining our communication summary, followed by stakeholders management strategy and a detailed stakeholders communication analysis. Additionally, I will display, without video presentation, the media choice table, milestone report, and minutes of meeting, all of which contributed to maintaining alignment and transparency throughout the project. So this communication framework ensured clarity, coordination, and successful engagement with all parties involved. Now I will briefly explain the communication plan used in our project. So we identify 4 key stakeholders group, which are the project steering committee, regional data stakeholders, and technical development team, and the analytical team. So each received tailored communication based on their role. Bi-weekly status reports were sent to the steering committee in hard copy and meetings, and regional stakeholders received monthly memos via email with follow-up calls when needed. Technical teams got weekly module updates through WhatsApp and direct check-ins. The analytical team received monthly dashboard with datasets and visuals. These formats make sure consistent update, accountability, and smooth coordination across all regions and roles. For this slide, I will explain our stakeholder management strategy for the data consolidation East-West Malaysia Oneunity project. So our team identified 4 key stakeholders: the project manager, system integration specialist, IT project consultant, and data analyst. So each was assessed based on our level of interest and influence in the project. So the project manager had high interest and influence and lead communication and stakeholders engagement. So the system integration specialist with high interest but medium influence was consulted weekly during the integration and testing. The IT project consultant with medium interest and high influence received structure, summarized, and was involved in the system planning. And the data analyst received regular updates tied to the data deliverables and supported monthly reporting. So this strategy will make sure that clear communication and smooth coordination across all roles. Okay, now let me present our stakeholder communication analysis. So each stakeholder was assigned a communication format that tailored to the role. And the project steering committee received bi-weekly status reports delivered in printed form and review meetings managed by the project manager. Regional data stakeholders were provided monthly integration memos via email in PDF formats, with optional follow-up calls handled by the IT consultant. The technical development team received weekly progress summarized through WhatsApp and Sync meeting coordinated by the system integration specialist. The analytical stakeholders were given monthly dashboard reports containing visual dataset links and PDF summarizes prepared by the data analyst. And lastly, the internal review team received the training rollout timeline in printed copy and online folder formats during the first week of March. This one also led by the project manager. So this structure plan makes sure that all stakeholders remain informed, engaged, and aligned throughout the project lifecycle.
Chapter 12, Closing the Project. This is the phase where the Oneunity project Sdn Bhd Second BG Data Consolidation System project officially conclude. All project deliverables are reviewed to ensure they meet the agreed requirement and that all stakeholders are satisfied with the final outcome. Formal closure involved the official handover of the consolidated date platform for operational use and the formal termination of project activities. This phase includes the completion of project documentation, formal sign-off from SecomDG management, performance review of the overall project, and the documentation lesson learned. This step confirms the successful delivery of value to Oneunity project in Berhad and provide key insight to improve future project management practice.
Good day, Miss. My name is APPRILLIA. My ID student is 20226978876, and now I will explain the justification for our proposed system, SecomDG Data Platform, Oneunity East-West Consolidation. So after the merger between Celcom and DG, the company now uses several host systems. So these systems are not connected properly, which causes problems like repeated data, slow reporting, and poor visibility in operations. And our system proposal solves these issues. First, the system improves operation by combining all data sources into one platform. It helps reduce manual work and supports real-time analytics so decisions can be made faster and more accurately. Second, it helps the company follow important data protection rules such as Personal Data Protection Act 2010 PDPA and General Data Protection Regulation GDPR. So when the data is stored in one place, it becomes easier to protect, control, and audit. Third, the system is scalable. It supports future technologies like 5G and Gen AI, and it can grow with the business without needing a full redesign. Fourth, the financial analysis shows strong results. We expect a 19% return on investment and break even around year 4. So even though the starting cost is higher, long-term savings and performance improvements make it a smart investment. Finally, from a stakeholder point of view, the platform improves transparency and communication. It offers unified dashboards and consistent KPIs, which helps all parties understand performance clearly and stay aligned. To conclude, the SecomDG data platform's Oneunity East-West consolidation is not just a technology upgrade, it's a strategic move that solves current problems, supports future growth, and brings real business value. Thank you very much.
Next, for question 3, which is what are the risks that the organization have to face in completing the project or system development? In my opinion, for my answer regarding this question, organizations face several key risks in completing a project or system development. These include scope creep, where uncontrolled changes expand the project beyond its original plan, schedule and cost risks leading to delays, and budget overruns, technical risks involving complex or new technologies that may fail or cause integration issues, resource risks such as insufficient skills or capacity, and communication risks, which cause misunderstandings and misalignment among team members. Additionally, security vulnerabilities, operational challenges, and external risks like regulatory changes or supply disruptions can impact the project success. Managing these risks through clear planning, stakeholder management, and continuous monitoring is crucial to delivering the project on time and within the budget.
Okay, so what are the most challenging part of using the Microsoft project as Smartsheet or GitHub software? So for the project, I use the Microsoft project. For me, the most challenging part of using Microsoft project is that it takes time to learn because it has many advanced features. Basically, I need to learn first before I use the Microsoft project. If you're not familiar with it, it can be difficult to understand how to do tasks or using the guide chart properly. Another challenge is that it can be heavy for some network jobs and may run slowly. But once we get it can help to. It really helpful for organizing schedule and tracking project progress.
The three takeaways from this subject is that the importance of the project management in IT. A major theme of the course is the growing significance of project management, especially in the field of IT. IT projects are often complex, involve diverse teams, and emphasize expectations for performance, speed, and adaptability. Effective project management brings structure and discipline, improve outcome by controlling scope, time, and cost by increasing stakeholders' dedication and delivering strategic value. The second one is understanding the project management framework. The course emphasizes the 5 process groups, that is initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and also closing, and the 10 knowledge areas such as scope, schedule, cost quality, and risk management. Learning how these elements interact in practice help future professionals better manage the project by ensuring the comprehensive and systematic approach to planning and execution. The last one is agile and adaptive methodology are crucial in modern projects. The class also highlighted the modern trends like agile project management and the Scrum framework, which are essential in today's fast-paced IT environments. This approach prioritizes flexibility, team collaboration, and continuous improvement, making them highly sustainable for software development and other rapidly evolving domains.